Did you know that there's a way to see who has shared your post to their Instagram story? Keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how to do it. For more business and social media advice, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video every Monday. I'm Jamar Diggs, and I teach coaches, consultants, and professional service providers how to use social media to position themselves as the expert and attract their dream clients. If you've ever looked at the number of shares on your Instagram post and you really wanted to know who it was, well, it's a very easy trick, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, before we get started, if you are not understanding what I mean, it's probably because you have a personal Instagram account. In order to see your post analytics, you have to have a business account for Instagram. So go to your settings and switch to a business profile to get a better idea of what I'm talking about in this training. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into my phone, and I'm going to walk you through this screen recording that I have here. So go to your Instagram profile, and I have mine up right now, and I just shared an image of me being in one of the Rising Tides Instagram workbooks. Click on the actual View Insights button, and you're going to see all of these. You're going to see all of these shares, right? So when you click on that, you're going to click on the top right ellipses. So those three buttons at the very top. And then when you see that, you're going to be showing the current public reshares. Then click on one, and you're able to reshare it into your own story as well. Now that you have this really cool piece of information, what do you do with it now? One of the things that I suggest you doing is to reshare the ones that speak very highly of your post. That's going to get people to see your story and click through to your own posts. Another thing that I suggest is just going to that person's story, engaging with their content, and maybe even sending them a thank you for sharing your post. And you could even, if you have this, share a link to something that could be similar to whatever they shared. This is going to help you keep that loyal follower active and engaged with you. If you want to start getting clients with your social media strategy, then I want you to take advantage of my free training, Posting for Profit. In this training, I'm going to show you how to save time, eliminate the burnout, and make more money with social media. You can grab that in the description box down below. If you like this video, please let me know by subscribing to this channel, giving this video a like, and tagging me on Instagram with this screenshot. Don't forget to sign up for Posting for Profit. The link is in the description down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. How to do it? What? Why am I saying what the? It's like, it must be like a superpower of mine, just talking in circles. Like, oh my gosh, okay. You can't just be like, it just sounds more. Thanks for that feedback. Okay, thanks. I'm Jamar Diggs, and I help. Help, I'm dying. Help. Help. What the? Oh. Ugh. Yes. What's wrong? Oh, nothing. Yeah, you struggling today, sis.